Infertility. This word has become so common nowadays, and approx 15% of all our population of the world is suffering from infertility nowadays. If we talk about the common causes of infertility, tubal blockage is the common one. And I would say that approx 40% of infertile couples are suffering from tubal blockage. What if I tell you that today, without any operation or without any IVF, you can conceive even with tubal blockage? Yes, after this video, you will get all the treatment answers that without laparoscopy also you can conceive and you can get rid of this tubal blockage. How? We at Asha Ayurveda Center are doing this for last 8 years. And this miracle happens with Ayurveda. Ayurveda, the science of life. Yes, my dear friends, then Ayurveda thousands of years ago has mentioned about tubal blockage. This tubal blockage treatment is Uttar Basti therapy. What is this Uttar Basti therapy? This Uttar Basti is a procedure in which we put medicated oil inside the uterus through a normal procedure, or I should say a OPD level procedure with some instrument. This oil or medicine goes inside the uterus and travels in your tubes and resolves all the adhesions or inflammations which are causing tubal blockage. So how do we prepare these medicines? Basically, we work and we analyze on the causes of tubal blockage. If your blockage is because of some inflammation or because of adhesions or endometriosis, we make special medications accordingly and then we put these medicines inside your uterus. So your question would be, this would be a very painful procedure? Definitely no. It is not a painful procedure. It is a OPD level procedure. No sedation, no painkiller injections, nothing is required in this procedure. So we do it very normally, very casually. You don't need to bring someone along with you for the therapy. You can come all alone and you can go all alone on your fields. Your next question would be, when should we do this therapy? So this therapy is done just after your period stops. Bleeding should be completely stopped. Then we do this therapy for next 3 days to 6 days depending on your condition. Dear friends, this Uttar Basti procedure can be done up to 6 days a cycle. We at Asha Ayurveda for tubal blockage do it for 3 months, and in every cycle we do it for 6 days a cycle. So how can you contact us? If you are suffering from tubal blockage and you are going for laparoscopy, I would suggest you first come at Asha Ayurveda. You can contact us at our number which is given below. It is 9811773770. This painless and thousands of years ago mentioned procedure gives you complete relief from tubal blockage. Almost 90% of success we are offering at Asha Ayurveda Center for last 8 years. And more than 1,000 people have successfully recovered and also conceived after tubal blockage treatment. So if you are thinking that whether our tubes will be functional or not after this treatment, then I assure you they will be 100% functional. Even tubal blockage with hydrosalpinx also has been successfully resolved at our center. We gave you medicines for first 3 months to resolve that fluid which is present in your tubes, and after that we do the therapy. So with this combination procedure of medicines and therapy, we resolve tubal blockage with hydrosalpinx also. So if you are going for a laparoscopy, why would you go for Ayurvedic treatment? Because laparoscopy gives you a success approx 10 to 15% only. And even after that therapy, doctor tells you that it can rebound again. But with Ayurvedic treatment, we are resolving your issue completely with the root. So it won't bounce back. So you can have your child naturally 2 or 3 or as many as you want. So dear friends, suffering from tubal blockage, if anyone is known to you or you are suffering from the problem, please contact us. We are always there to help you. Thank you.